Well. Hey! Oh, hey there, Sporty. The bar is open. It's a free world. How you feeling there, Sport? Well, you look like you're doing okay there, Sporty. Jeez. Gee. Gee. Willikers. Gee Willikers. Oh, okay. Pardon me. How you doing there, kid? Oh, it's a good day. Isn't it good being a kid? Being young is the best time. Best time. Boy, when I was young, I was so young. I had a kid. I was a kid. And then when I was young, every day I would be young. I would wake up, I would ride my bike. I would walk very fast. I like to eat a lot of my food. I always ate my vegetables. Always did. That's why I'm doing so well today. How you doing, kid? You eat those things? Why, sure you do. I'm sure you do. Oh, it's a nice day. Like, I like to get outside. I do a little gardening, do a little walking, do a little reading the paper. Sometimes I sit down, read the paper, or I'll bring a little book and read the book. If I don't mind what I'm doing and I'm having a good time, I'm having a fine day. Everything seems to be in harmony. Everything working right. When you're feeling good, you're good feeling. And when you're good feeling, you look good, and you feel good, and you feel just fine. Couldn't be anything better about the world than the way you're feeling right now. I'm feeling fine. How you feeling, kid? Oh, it's a good place. This is a good place. Oh, this is a place. I'm not going to forget this one. No, sir. Judy's busting out all over the widow and the he, and the he, and the we, and the we do what we do just because we can, you see. Now, there's nothing I like better than good pancake house. Pancakes are something I eat all the time. Carrots and peas on my pancakes with syrup. If I can have syrup from the maple tree, I'll eat the maple tree. Sometimes I would eat a maple tree. I'd cut it up and cut the pieces. They say the wood in the roughage is good for you. It's got sap. Don't be sappy if you got to be happy. You can be happy without being sappy. Put a little syrup on your sugar, kid. Put a little medicine in your sweets. Huh? If there's not something that you do not have to do, and you do have to do it, but you don't want to, just go ahead and do it anyway. If you can't get that done, don't worry about it. Sure. You look like a good sport. Sport is something that the kings of the Greeks and the Romans both were indulged in. Sure they did. Games, imagination space, places for doing things that you like to do is good for everybody. Why, sure, everybody's got to get involved. If you can get involved in something that you like, I don't care if it's jumping over a hoop, jumping through a hoop, making a fire in a hoop, making a hoop full of fire, making a ring ding, making a ding ring, making a knife fall on a fork, using your knife and fork to put your napkin in your shin. On your shin, if you got shin splints, you should splint your shin before you get your shin splint out of the joints. And then you put a fork and a knife and a spoon all in one pile and eat your carrots in peace. Why are you going to be doing fine then? You're not doing Thank you everybody for what you've done. There's nothing better than what I got going on here, and that's in this place. Oh yes. How you doing there, kid? It must be strange to be a kid these days. Boy, it's a lot different than it was when I was young. Back then it was over. Everything was over. Everything back then was over. Now it's not that. It's a new day. It's a new time. It's busting out all over the hello and the bee. The hello and the bee, hello and the bee, hello and the bee, hello and the bee. Well, that's my place for me. And that's why I say me and you is we. I'm going to grab my carrots and my peas and put them on the spoon and do the peas and have a good time. I don't care about that. What I don't do for you, there's nothing to do. I'm glad I can walk. I sure am. If I didn't have feet, I'd be a duck. A duck can swim or fly, but it's still using feet. When I was a kid, we used to go to the gas pump to breathe the fumes to cure whooping cough. Oh, it's a good time. I'm going to go get some food. I got a bag of chips. Boy, there's a place down here to eat Sam. Boy, what a place. I know Sam a long time. He makes sure to cook food. He can make home fries and things like that. He doubles food. He doubles things. He doubles stuff. He'll sing and cook for you at the same time. You're going to be hungry. Make that sense. Don't run up the hill down there. You're going down 2 hills. Once you start right up the third hill, you take a right. Turn in the corner down. Have myself a real good time on a real good wheel. Yes, indeed. It's nice to be outside the fresh air again. Oh, it's a keto day. It's a part of your family. Oh, that looks nice, kid. Good for you, kid. You have a good time. I'm sure you will. A PTI, meat taking time. Meat taking pizza pie. I'm sure. Hey, boy, that looks like that's really home. Day for you. I'm going to get on my bike and settle down. Maybe I won't see you again if I do. You're fine. Sure you are.